Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the best Game of Thrones dagger available in the market. The Armory Replicas Medieval Fantasy 440 Stainless Steel Dagger Knife. Replica Movie Lion Dagger Short Sword with Hard Scabbard. Crafted from high-quality 440 stainless steel with exquisite attention to detail, this replica fantasy movie dagger is a must-have for collectors, cosplayers, and reenactors alike. Stay tuned as we explore the design, craftsmanship, and functionality of this iconic piece. The 440 stainless steel blade features a mirror polish finish and a striking ridge line running down the middle, separating the double edges. Paired with a hard scabbard made of faux leather with antique silver accents, this dagger exudes authenticity and charm. The Armory Replicas dagger showcases exceptional craftsmanship, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a true-to-life replica. The detailed Narnia design and spear point blade shape add to its allure, promising an immersive experience for fans of medieval fantasy. Highlight the satisfaction guarantee. Armory Replicas is committed to delivering high-quality products that exceed expectations. With a dedicated team ready to address any concerns, you can trust in the reliability and excellence of this Game of Thrones dagger. In conclusion, the Armory Replicas Medieval Fantasy Dagger Knife is a standout choice for enthusiasts looking to add a touch of fantasy to their collection. With its authentic design, sturdy build, and attention to detail, this dagger is a worthy addition to any enthusiast's armory. Thank you for joining us on this review of the best Game of Thrones dagger. If you're interested in adding this iconic piece to your collection, be sure to check out Armory Replicas for more information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews on Product Critique. See you next time.